vlog is I'm going to unbox the package came from Babe Rosetta Apolinario. Again, but guess what? This is not my order again, cause this is my prize from her giveaways. So I'm so excited and let's open!
I like to party!
So, ayan guys, sobrang dami talaga and bonggang prizes. So, I won this argan oil shampoo with this BB cream. And this one, I love this one, Victoria's Secrets. Yay! And the other one is the Vice Velvet Liquid Lip Kit. And she gave me this one, aloe vera. Wow, thank you so much. And this aloe vera hydrating makeup remover wipes. Oh my god, I badly need this one. Thank you, babe.
I like to party!
Guys, yung laman ng aking box, bonggang mga prizes. Thank you so much, Babe Rosette and Babe James sa kanyang hobby. At sa mga gustong mag-join, just follow Rosette Apolinario sa kanyang FB page, TikTok account, and please subscribe na rin sa kanyang YouTube account, Rosette Apolinario. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a comment below. And please don't forget to follow me on my IG page and TikTok account. Thank you, God bless, and I love you.